Go to 711Proxy dashboard. Click on Residential Proxies in the left sidebar. Choose your plan type. Select username, password. Select sub user. Choose country, region, state, city. Select the session type and proxy host. Set up the output format and the number of generation. Click Generate. The list of proxies has been generated and is ready to use. Click Add to set up a new browser configuration. Enter a custom name. Let's use 711Proxy as an example. Scroll down the mouse. Select Custom. Select the type of proxy you need. Enter the host, port, username, and password obtained from 711Proxy. Click Check Proxy. Detection successful. Click Confirm. Now, you have completed the proxy settings. Start using now.